Hi everyone, it's Brooklyn Maple on Legendary Cooking. Today we have the perfect recipe to grab all of the items that you have left over from your Thanksgiving meal and to recreate it into this delicious turkey Thanksgiving casserole. I guarantee this will be the best way to clean out your pantry this holiday season. We are going to start on the stove. We currently have 2 tablespoons of butter and vegetable oil in a skillet on medium heat. We're going to start off with a cup of diced onion, It looks like everything is now fork tender. What we're going to do is take this off of the heat and we are going to start on the rest of the mixture. Make sure that you preheat the oven at 350 degrees so that you're all set whenever we're ready. Now that we have that taken care of, we are going to start with the base. We actually start with 6 cups of day-old bread. I'm using a French bread. This was just the leftover from our Thanksgiving dinner. At the end of the day, you want it to have a little bit of texture to it, not too soft. If you are doing just regular bread, you're looking at about 6 slices. We are going to tear it up and add it into the bowl, followed by the mixture, and we're just going to gently toss it together. We also have a cup of Gruyere cheese as well as white cheddar cheese. We've mixed that together a bit and we are going to add half of that to the mixture. We have lightly tossed the ingredients and now we are going to start with the wet ingredients. Now that we have all of that mixed together, we are going to add this to the rest of our mixture. We will stir it again, making sure that everything is well blended. Here's for the optional part. I love dried cranberries. Of course, I have some of these left over after the holidays. I'm going to add a few into the mixture. You can also use pecans. I do like those, but I've had enough pecan pie already, so I think I'm going to add that on right before I pop it into the oven. Then we will let it sit for 10 minutes. We want to make sure that the bread really takes on all of those ingredients. Once that's done, we are going to be pouring it into a 9x13 baking dish that we already buttered. It is looking beautiful. I'm already so impressed. Here's when I'm going to add on some of those pecans to the top. And then we did save that cheese, so we are going to top it off with that as well. From there, we are going to shoot this into the oven uncovered for roughly 45 to 50 minutes. It smells so good in here, y'all. I promise this is a perfect Thanksgiving leftover casserole that will make sure that your family is pleased even after Turkey Day. With Christmas right around the corner, make sure you prepare and check out our recipes. I'm Brooklyn Maple on Legendary Cooking with River City Weekend. We can't wait to see you this holiday season.